Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the snooze button in Gmail. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to temporarily remove an email from your inbox and have it return at a more convenient time, helping you stay organized and manage your priorities more effectively. To get started, open your web browser and type mail.google.com into the address bar. Sign in with your Gmail credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox with all your emails displayed. This is where you'll locate the email you want to snooze, whether it's sitting in your inbox or tucked away in another folder. Now here's where the magic happens. Hover your mouse over the email you'd like to snooze. As you do this, you'll notice a series of action icons appear on the right side of that email row. These icons give you quick access to various functions without having to open the email itself. Look for the clock icon. This is your snooze button. Click on it. A menu will pop up presenting you with several preset snooze options. You might see choices like tomorrow, this weekend, or next week. These presets are designed for quick decision-making, allowing you to defer emails with just one click. If none of these options suit your needs, don't worry. You can click on Pick Date and Time to set a custom date and time for when you want the email to return to your inbox. This gives you complete control over your email management. Once you've made your selection, click Save to confirm the snooze. After you hit save, you'll notice the email immediately disappears from your inbox. It hasn't been deleted, it's simply been moved out of sight temporarily and will reappear automatically at the exact time you specified. If you need to snooze multiple emails at once, select them using the checkboxes on the left, then click the More icon, represented by 3 dots, and select Snooze from the drop-down menu. If you ever want to check on your snoozed emails before they're scheduled to return, simply click on Snoozed in the left sidebar. This folder shows you all the emails you've temporarily set aside. When a snoozed email comes back to your inbox, you'll see a notification if you have notifications enabled, ensuring you never miss an important message. Thanks for watching.